English version, class 5, chapter 8, length measurement. If you see in the chapter 8, you can see three different parts. The first part in here, length management. Number 1, length measurement. Choose the multiple question. What is the smallest unit of the length? Here, millimeter, meter, millimeter, centimeter, and hectometer. It means millimeter. Reason, among the option 1 millimeter is the smallest, and 2, the length of the rectangular 50 meter and wide 30 meter. What is the total length of the two side of the meter? 20, 30 and 50, 80. It is the 80 because reason, a rectangular has two length and two wide. Okay. And number 3, once Arif birthday cake weighing 1 kilogram with cut and distribute among 10 friends. How many cake varieties? It means 100 decigram, decagram, 100 decigram, 100 decagrams, 10 decagrams, and 10 hectograms. So it means 10 C, 10 decagrams. We know that 1 kg equal to 10 100 decagram divided by 10 friend equal to 10 decagram. Okay, thank you.